Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef. Today I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can use the homemade yogurt that you're making in your deluxe multi-cooker or your quick cooker, as well as curd, lemon, orange, or whatever flavor curd that you might be making in your deluxe cooking blender. So I do have videos showing you how to make the yogurt that I'm going to be using here, as well as how to make the curd. So those are on my channel. Be sure to click subscribe while you're here, and also go to theflipflopchef.com and join my recipe community. You'll find these recipes and thousands more, as well as 40 free downloadable cookbooks and a weekly giveaway every Friday. So let's go ahead and get started. So what I have here is I have some homemade yogurt that I made in Pampered Chef's Deluxe Multi-Cooker. I have a video showing you how to do that. If you have the quick cooker, there's a different video showing you how to make it in that product. So you're gonna see that I have got this nice yogurt in this bowl, and then in this container, and these are leak-proof storage containers. I love them because they have the leak-proof snap-on lids, and there's also a little silicone seal. These are awesome. They're glass. We have 3 different sizes, and they're sold as a set. So if you see anything in this video that you would like to add to your kitchen, I do make commission on the products that I sell. I'd love to be your Pampered Chef consultant if you're not already working with someone else. So we have our yogurt, and this is a vanilla flavored yogurt. This is orange curd. You could make lemon or lime or grapefruit, whatever flavor you like. So I'm going to show you first a couple of different ideas for serving these 2 things, and then I'll give you another idea. Some of the containers that you can use to make individual yogurt cups, if you wanted to do this ahead of time and keep them in the refrigerator, are prep bowls, which are great. You get 6 of these bowls, 6 lids in the set. You can use those. A couple of retired products that I like to use when taking food on the go. This is our make and take snack jar. So this was in our outlet a few weeks ago. If you missed out on that, these are no longer available, but if you have them, this is such a great product for this. So you can fill this with your yogurt snack, and then the lid just kind of screws right on. So that's another option. And another retired product option are the little mini prep bowls, silicone prep bowls, and these are half cup sizes with the lids. So let me go ahead and show you how I like to eat my yogurt snack when I'm using the yogurt and the orange curd. And I have made this with lemon curd as well. So we're gonna take our large scoop. The large stainless steel scoop here is one of 3 different sizes that we have. It's your standard cupcake or muffin size. So I'm gonna take 2 scoops, and these are heaping scoops of yogurt. So 2 heaping scoops of yogurt. Set that aside. Wipe off the edge. So 2 heaping scoops of yogurt, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add 1 medium scoopful of orange curd. You're going to just put that right on the top there, and then what you can do, you can leave it just as it is, and then put the lid on here, put it in the refrigerator, and then whenever you're ready to eat it, take it out. I like to stir them together just to fully incorporate it, but you can do it however way you like. Another option is you can put pomegranate arils on top of your yogurt snack. So you can take some of these and add them on the top, and that adds some color and a little bit more flavor. So this is the first idea, with or without the pomegranate. These can go in the refrigerator, and then when you're ready to eat them, just grab it or pack it in your lunch. The next thing I want to show you is flavoring your yogurt using pie filling. So I like, oops, let me grab this off the floor. I like using blueberry pie filling, but you could use any pie filling that you like. I'm gonna take about, I'm just estimating here, by the way. You can look at the measurements on the side of the bowl too, but about 3 cups of this vanilla yogurt. Take a peek. So that's almost 2. Still a little bit more. By the way, 1 batch of the cold start yogurt that I'm using makes about 8.5 cups. So a little bit more than will fit in this leak-proof container. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, again, I'm kind of estimating here. I'm going to take about 1/2 cup of blueberry pie filling and just mix this to incorporate it. It's so pretty. You could leave a little swirl in there if you like to make it look pretty. And then you can take your containers, so choose the container that you like. I'll use a prep bowl this time, and you're gonna just scoop out your yogurt. You can fill it all the way full. Oops, that blueberry doesn't want to go anywhere. or you can fill it part the way full. It's just depending on how much you want. If you have these little mini silicone bowls, then you could use those. And this actually came with like a little rack so that you could easily store them in the refrigerator. So we've got that. So we have our orange curd with yogurt, we have our blueberry yogurt, and then we also have some in the prep bowl as well. So several different choices for you guys today, depending on how you like to eat your yogurt. You could of course just portion out plain yogurt in your prep bowls or whatever bowl that you're using. Add some fresh fruit or take some granola on the side. I would recommend that you wait to add the granola or nuts or whatever you'd like to add on the top that might get soggy. Wait to add that when you're ready to serve it. So just take it in a little Ziploc bag along with you. But I love how you can make a base of yogurt and you can use it so many other different ways. The pie filling flavors, there's so many to choose from. The curd, you can use whatever flavor, citrus that you'd like to make that, and you're just making so many creative things for your lunches or your snacks on the go. So if you haven't checked out my video on how to make the cold start yogurt or how to make the orange curd, be sure to check those out on my channel. They're both super easy and have very little hands-on time. The hands-on time for the yogurt is probably about 3 to 5 minutes, and the hands-on time for the orange curd is probably 5 to 7 minutes, and there's so little that you have to do for both of these recipes. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, got some new ideas for your snacks and your lunches, and I hope that you'll go to theflipflopchef.com, join my recipe community if you're not already a member, and be sure to register every Friday for my giveaway. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll look to see you next time.